Today we're working on fixing the fan in your stove. What we have here is a Samsung stove, and one of the fans started making a rattling noise, and then we figured out actually both fans are not working. So the first step is to pull it out, unplug it obviously. You can ignore the background noises. So to get out the fans without having to go over this door, you can easily remove the doors, and most of the time it's just a little clip right here. Put that down, pulls out, there we go. So I just took the 2 screws off each of these covers, and now we're down to the fans. So on most stoves it's just a bunch of screws on the back panel. It's just hanging from the top clips. Should be able to just pop it out. There we go. Here's your motor, and often it comes with the motor and the whole fan unit, but if you can separate it and just get the motor itself, you'll save yourself a lot of money. So I'll show you how I did that online. But my next step now is then to take off the motor mounts. To get the fan off, you need a 9mm or 3/8. Hold the fan, usually the reverse, so you're gonna actually turn clockwise. The fan. There we go. From the back to take the motor off, looks like there's 1 nut and 2 screws. Oh boy. There we go. Here's the little box that I got that it came in. Here's the part number I looked for. Now you do need to be careful when you do these. You see the spacing of these 2 electrical connectors? There was parts that had the exact same part number, but the spacing was off. See, you got the circle there. This goes on, and the spacer goes on, and then the fan itself. So I'm ready to put the fans back on, but this one shaft, which we pulled right out the motor, this nut, when I tried to take it off, it wasn't not coming off. So let's bring it out to the vise and see if we can get it off. I checked online, and this is supposed to be a backwards thread due to the fan so it doesn't fall off. I started righty-loosey, and I'm cranking on it, and the whole shaft starts bending. I'm like, this thing is so seized it's gonna bust off. So I flipped back, and it went a little bit. I'm like, okay. It went a little bit more, and then it just came right out. So here's the situation. This oven has 2 fans, and this 1 nut is the normal way. All right, should we try it, Joel?
Yeah.
Start. It's preheating, but it thinks the door's shut, so let's just push this button. There we go. Oh, I think these are a little bit bent. Just gotta bend them out a little. I think I manhandled it when I took it out. Let's try that now. All right. We got our convection working. So that is the cheap way to fix your convection fans.